Good morning, students. Today we are starting the lesson Nutrition and Diet, lesson number 7, page number 50 of your textbook. Children, last week we were preparing for the examination. We had done lot of division, but due to certain reason, as the exam is postponed, we are starting this lesson. And when we start any lesson, we have to write down the new words. It means you have to read the lesson, search out the new words, and 15 to 20 at least words you write in the copy. So, as today I am telling that today we are starting this lesson, after the class, you will read the lesson again and you will write down the new words. Okay? So, before starting the lesson, I wish to tell you one important quote, that is, motivation is what gets you started, habit is what keeps you going. So, motivation is very, very necessary. Huh? That is the inspiration. It is very, very necessary just to start any work. Once you start the work and continue doing it, it becomes our habit. Okay? And we keep on doing this work. So, habit is what keeps you going. Means, whatever the situations we are having or whatever the regular work we are doing, that is our habit. But to start any new work, we need certain motivation, certain inspiration. Once it is started and you are keeping on doing it or practicing it, it becomes our habit. So, motivation is very, very necessary. Okay, so today, as we are starting the lesson, nutrition and diet, you know, it is very necessary to have the various food items in our diet. Yes. Have you seen this picture? See the picture, it is given in the textbook on page number 50, and here also on the screen. You know, in the first picture, you are finding the variety of fruits, meat, egg, oil, okay, meat, fish, while in the second picture you are finding the cereals, rice, wheat, jawar, and the pulses, dal, moong, masoor, chana you are finding here. Okay, while in the third picture you are finding the lots of vegetables. So what are all these? These are our foodstuffs. Whatever the food that we take, it is releasing the energy. So that's why the foodstuffs or the things that we eat, when it release the energy, we say that they are the nutrients. So daily we take all these types of food, or sometimes we take the different types of food also, but these type of food are taken in our diet. So, are all these food items same? Are they useful to us in the same way? Yes. You had studied it in the fifth standard. What are the various food constituents? Okay, have you studied it? So, there are different constituents of food and they have different functions also. Okay, herein different fruits are shown: egg, milk, then this is oil, rice, wheat, dal, okay, and herein the leafy vegetables and different other vegetables are also there. So they are supplying us the different food constituents that we will see now. So There are six main nutrients in our food. Nutrients means the constituents that are releasing the energy that are said to be the nutrients. So there are six nutrients in our food: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, fibers, vitamins, and the mineral. All these six nutrients are very necessary for in our diet. Are you getting? Very necessary, and whatever the food items just now I had shown you, or we are taking it daily, they contain these nutrients. So we have to take all these constituents of food in a proper proportion so that we can be healthy. Yes, one important thing is that though we are taking all the variety of constituents, it is very necessary that along with the food we should use the water. Water, what it do? It dilutes our food. It helps for the digestion of the food. Are you getting? So all these constituents of food we will study in detail one by one. But before that, we will see what are the uses of these constituents, or why should we take the food daily. See here, living things take food and water and use them for obtaining energy. Yes, we have to do the lot of work from morning to night. For that, we need the energy. So, for getting energy, we eat the food. Second important thing, growth of the body. Yes, from babies to the adult, as young one is growing, the growth takes place means number of cells in the body increases, size of the cells increases, and that's why body grow from smaller to the bigger one, and that is possible only because of the nutrients in the food. Third important function, food helps us to carry out our day functions. Okay, day to day functions are carried out by these constituents. Just now we discussed about energy. Nutrients give us the energy because of which it is possible for us to carry out our day to day functions. Then, last and most important function, it helps us to fight against the diseases. So, whatever the harmful microorganisms are there, when they enter our body, they causes the disease. So, if we are including some other constituents of food, they helps us to fight against the microorganisms, and thus we remain healthy, protect ourselves from the disease.